independent candidate. No. Getting involved is something deeper. It's understanding the root of these issues and trying and thinking very hard about how you can change them. That doesn't change, by the way, by just standing for an election. No. So it goes much, much deeper than that. Getting involved really is first recognition is that the route to change in a democratic setup. We are very fortunate to be living in a democracy where we can have a discussion like this. So many of you must have been to China, either for work or for pleasure, and we would have been arrested in this kind of meeting. And I'm sure you. We are very fortunate. We are very blessed to have a system that allows us to have this discussion without fear of reprisals. This is not the first time I'm speaking these words. I've spoken them umpteen number of times at various forums, in public, in private, on the web, online, offline. I have not received any warning, any threats, nothing of that sort. I'm very fortunate. I'm very blessed to be part of this society where democracy lets me speak my thoughts freely and allows me, offers me a chance to do something about it. Getting involved means connecting with the real India. What's this real India? Someone asked me just half an hour ago, what do you mean by this real India? And I told him the real India is certainly not the flyovers and the metros and the malls. That, I can assure you, is not real India. It may be hard for me to explain what real India is, but it is not this room. That much I know. It is not this room. This room is not real India. This is an extremely privileged, extremely fortunate, very, very rarefied part of India. The real India is something else. Let's try and get connected to that. Form networks, because whatever change you want to come through, that change is not going to happen on your own. That change will need supporters, people, networks, huge number of people. It's not 100, we are not talking 100, 1,000 people, no. This task is mammoth. This is not going to be accomplished by one person or two people. This is a mammoth task. Start forming relationships, networks, like-minded people. There are plenty of us here. I'm just here today, but in this room alone, I know there are at least a dozen people who are doing various things. Let's start connecting with each other. Let's join hands.